is ready. We're headed there. Room 16010. Where is it the other way?
No.
Hello.
I don't think we belong up here. We're not smart enough. Shh, they're gonna kick us out for being too stupid.
Are you sure we went the right way?
Wrong way. I don't know what we're doing. I know this is right. Yeah, see? This is right.
May I help you?
We're looking for 1610.
It's on the other side.
Ah.
I don't know. You're on the right side.
That's what I thought. We'll find it.
1610.
We'll find it.
No, you're on the right side.
I know. Oh, we're on the right side? We're on the wrong side. Does that mean, what does that mean? I don't know what that means. What side is the right side? What side is the wrong side? We're going up here. That's going here. We need our buttons on. Okay, 14, it should be here. Shut up.
Here.
Shut up.
Here.
This is here then. Oh, we're going this hallway.
I found it.
We found it. Go ahead. Oh, I like the color scheme.
Oh wow, this is nice and big. So we did get an interior room, and this is really nice and very spacious because we don't plan on spending much time in the room. So, all right, let's check out the bathroom. Ooh. Cool. Just a typical ship bathroom.
Shit, bathroom. Did you just say what I think you said?
I said ship, S-H-I-P. And the closet, nice.
Wait, I'll come out of the closet. Hi.
So yeah, very spacious. We're on the 16th floor. Once we found the room, we didn't steal. That was part of our. Oh, and we get a open bar too. So let's see the open bar. Part of the Yacht Club is a full service bar.
Okay, we're gonna empty it right now. Okay, I'm gonna drink this first, and then this, and then I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna drink this.
This is all at no extra cost. It's part of our package.
Ah, we know how to live. This is crazy.
So nothing that we actually requested.
This is crazy.
They sent us a form a few days before asking what our preference was. And we put white wine and Prosecco, and there's none of that. So why are you opening up all the bottles of water? What are you doing?
Because this one didn't snap first.
Oh.
Might have been the girl from Carnival. So this one snapped. So
very nice.
Ooh, I'm digging the music. Come catch us on our next adventure.